Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Interiors. If you are searching for the creative room dividers for space saving, then you are at the right place. In this video, I am going to show you the beautiful and creative room dividers for the space saving and trendy bedrooms. So watch this video till the end, and if this video will be beneficial for you, then please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Long gone are the days when walls were the only way to create a partition between two rooms, and with the world gleefully embracing open plan living. Decorating solutions that allow you to delineate space without walls are all the rage. Creating a partition between two rooms is no longer about simple design. There are plenty of options that allow you to maximize the space, create new dynamics with an open interior, and also ensure that you do not compromise on style. And today we take a look at how imaginative room dividers can completely alter your bedroom area while adding value to it. So there is nothing revolutionary about simple room dividers, and they have been around since ancient Egypt and Chinese empires. But today we are looking past the simple screens and antique pieces and flipping through ideas. And let your bedroom multitask with ease and elegance. From bedrooms, a cozy conversation and breakfast nooks, to those that need better integration with the master bathroom, ingenious room dividers come in handy every single time. So this was all about the room dividers for the space saving. I hope that you will enjoy this video. If this video will be beneficial for you, so please tell us in the comment box. You can also provide your opinion, your feedback, your suggestions, and much more in the comment box. We will wait for that. So stay blessed, stay happy. We will meet in the next video. Thank you so much.